Hello, I'm David Warren. I'm the Director of Global Marketing for Heilind Electronics. Welcome to the SPS Trade Fair here in Nuremberg, Germany.
Heilind is a distributor of electronic components such as connectors, relays, switches, and sensor products, as well as fasteners and sheet metal type products.
This is Heilind's first time exhibiting at the Smart Production Solutions Trade Fair. We are looking forward to leveraging this great event to learn from our customers and continue to be responsive to their supply chain needs.
SPS is where the future of smart manufacturing takes shape, and it's a perfect platform for Heilind to connect with industry experts, engineers and innovators to make sure to fulfill the needs in future for our valued customers.
SPS is an important event for the electronics distribution network. It showcases the latest technology in a rapidly growing industry. It gives us a chance to network with our customers, partners and also suppliers. And that is the reason why we are here.
We are using the SPS Trade Fair as the launch event to release our new updated brand here in Europe. As you see the modern booth design behind me, it has movement everywhere that's created by the graphical elements within our brand and high-resolution imagery that engages customers and suppliers alike.
Smart manufacturing and industrial applications are very important to Heilind Electronics on a global scale. This is why we are here on SPS exhibition first time. We would like to show our product offering, our mutual cooperation with our suppliers. We have a lot of exciting meetings and we would like to invite you all to be here with us.
Based in Wilmington, Massachusetts, Heilind is a distributor of global nature with all three regions of the globe covered, as in the Americas, in Europe, and in Asia.
With our newly opened distribution center, Frankfurt Hanau, Heilind will be able to house more than 75 employees covering various departments. There's going to be a heart-beating part of our distribution business that will allow us to cover Western countries of Europe, so France, Italy, and of course Germany. With this investment, we will be able to facilitate departments such as sales, product, production, engineering, and many others to provide the world-class service to our customers.
Smart manufacturing and industrial applications require robust and reliable supply chain to minimize disruption in their development. Heilind offers a resilient supply chain by offering alternative sourcing options, managing inventory efficiently, and providing supply chain risk mitigation strategies.
Heilind is expanding also in future, so we have a great year after us. We expand in further regions, we expand in further warehouses, and besides that, we are also focusing in future on the military side. Military is becoming more and more important, but that doesn't mean that we are not focusing anymore on the industrial. So we are growing in both directions, and that with success. So stay tuned. A lot of good things are coming.